Hi guys, Justine here. So today for our tabletop activity, we're gonna make a little bird feeder out of toilet paper roll. So you can also use paper towel roll, anything like this. Maybe if you wanted a bigger one, taller one, you can absolutely do that. So the supplies that you're gonna need is paper towel or toilet paper roll, peanut butter, 2 twig sticks, which I would probably say between 6 and 8 inches long. And then you're gonna need some bird seed. You're also gonna need some ribbon. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that here, but you could use anything from string, anything you could find, even a wire hook, just something that you can hang on a branch outside or on your front porch, anything like that. So, first things first, I already punctured the holes. If you have a hole punch, it would make it so much easier. Unfortunately, I don't have one of those here. So instead, I just used a really sharp knife and punctured the holes. So make sure you ask for help with that and be very, very careful. The next step we're gonna do is we're going to put the twigs in through these holes. So what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of thread them through, and you want to make sure that you have one set of holes on a lower end and then another set of holes on a higher end. So we'll go in through here. All right. So see how this stick is up farther than this other one. So, after we've done that, we are going to take some of this peanut butter. And you don't really need a lot. We're just going to coat this outside of the paper towel or the toilet paper roll. Okay. So we're just covering that up, making sure that when we go to put the bird seed on that it sticks. So here we are. And this is where maybe, if you want to feed multiple ones, or you want to be able to not have to do this as often, you could use a paper towel roll, something that's just a little bit longer and will last you a little bit more. Okay, so the next step, we're going to take some bird seed, and the other thing you can do too that might be a little bit easier is to take these sticks out and kind of just roll it in the bird seed that you have. I don't have a lot here, so we're just going to sprinkle it on like that, and we're going to twist. And this can be messy, so make sure you do it over something or you do it outside. My dog is watching me very carefully because I have peanut butter. So, all right, and twist. See, so some of it might not stick as good, the larger pieces. And I'm just gonna do this one other spot here. Woo! Gets a little messy here and there. So, and there we have it. So what you would do if you had that ribbon, it's kind of falling off of there a little bit, is you would put that here at the top and you would string that through. And then when you go outside, you can hang it anywhere. So if you have a post with a nail in it and you want to hang it there, that's fine. If you have a tree that you want to hang it on, you absolutely can. And you can do various things. So with a taller roll, you could probably put more sticks, which means that the birds would come and perch right here, and you might have more birds perch at once. You could do some sticks in the middle, some peanut butter on top, some more peanut butter here, and some more sticks so that it's just a little bit easier for them all to get to it. So this is a really cool thing that you can do right at home. All you need is bird seed, some twigs, peanut butter, and a toilet paper roll. So easy peasy one for this week. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for tuning in.